Welcome to AGN Steno classes. Dictation start now. It is generally noticed that the employees, when placed under suspension, do not immediately report at their new headquarters. Beside this is the cases of suspended employees are not promptly proceed by the supervisory staff, which result in unnecessary delay in their finalization. Full stop. As a consequence thereof, the employees remain under suspension for a pretty long period, which causes suspense to the employees and unnecessarily creates financial liability to the board. If a person remains under suspension for more than 9 months, he is to be paid half pay as subsistence allowance, and if he is reinstated and their entire period of suspension is treated as duty, all his arrears are required to be paid per. The main difficulty is that the supervisory officer do not take the required amount of interest in finalizing the cases of suspended employees in order to achieve the desired objects. It has been instructed that where an employee under suspension fails to report to his new headquarters within the fixed period, this lapse on his part should also be included with the sanction of the competent authority in the charge sheet, which is to be served to him. Further, it has also been decided that in normal circumstances, the cases of the suspended employees should be finalized within 3 months from the date of suspension. If, however, circumstances so warrant, a demand for extension in disposing of the case should be referred to the concerned chief engineer, who may grant assent on good grounds for another 3 months. In case extension is required beyond this period, the case for extension should be referred to the board of for approval, and until valid reasons are forthcoming, no extension in the period shall be granted. Para. The matter has been further considered, and it has been decided that an official who is suspended should be served a charge sheet within 1 month of the date of suspension, and if this is not done, he would be automatically reinstated. Further date where charge sheet has been issued, the inquiry should be completed within 6 months of the date of suspension, and in case the inquiry is not completed within the stipulated period, the suspended person should be reinstated, but the inquiry should continue to finality. It is therefore requested that any departure from these instructions will be viewed seriously. Stop.